Did you know that yoga is not just for keeping your body fit, but it can also take your love life to the next level? Today, we're going to talk about yoga sex, a secret that can elevate your body, mind, and intimacy like never before. Yoga sex is the art of using yoga not just to open up the body, but also to create a deep connection with your partner. And yes, it's not just about physical connection. It builds emotional and spiritual bonds too. 1. How does yoga help in your sex life? It makes your body more flexible. It boosts your energy levels. It reduces stress and anxiety. It teaches mindfulness, the art of living in the moment. As you become more aware of your own body through yoga, you naturally build a better bond with your partner. Deep breathing and slow movements make intimacy more emotional and intense. 2. Which yoga poses are beneficial? Bound angle pose helps open the pelvic area. Bridge pose strengthens the hips and back. Camel pose opens the heart and builds trust. Lotus pose with eye contact deepens emotional connection. 3. The emotional angle of yoga sex. When you combine yoga with intimacy, it's no longer just a physical union. It becomes a union of souls. Through eye contact, slow touches, and synchronized breathing, you start feeling each other on a much deeper level. If you also want to boost passion and connection in your love life, start making yoga a part of your lifestyle today. And if you liked this video, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below telling us which yoga pose you would love to try first.